Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature convertible sofa bed. You can find the measurements at the end of the video, and I listed all of the materials in the info box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, feel free to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, or follow Fun & Craft on Instagram. Thank you! And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun & Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!